In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automated emails to use in workflows with Zoho. By the end, you'll have a workflow that automatically sends an email whenever a lead meets your chosen criteria, so you don't have to send those messages manually. First, open your browser and go to your Zoho CRM account. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has permission to manage settings and workflows. Once you're on the main CRM homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This is the settings area where you can configure automation and other tools. Inside settings, find and click on workflow rules. This is where Zoho lets you define what should happen when certain conditions are met in your CRM data. On the workflow rules page, click the create rule button to start building a new workflow. Next, you'll be asked to choose a module. Click on the Select Module dropdown, then choose Leads. This tells Zoho that this workflow will run based on changes or events related to your leads, such as when a new lead is created. Now you can name your rule. Click in the rule name field and type a clear, descriptive name, like New Lead Welcome Email or something similar, so you and your team can easily recognize it later. After naming it, click Next to move forward. Zoho will now walk you through setting up when this rule should run. Click Select to choose the type of action trigger, then click Create to confirm that you're creating a new workflow rule with those settings. When the initial trigger options look correct, click Next again. You'll see options to define which records this workflow applies to. For this example, select the option that applies to all leads. That means every lead that matches your trigger will be included. Once you've selected all leads, click Done to save that part of the configuration. Now it's time to attach the automated email. In the Action section of the workflow, click on Email Notification. This opens the email setup dialog. Here, fill in the details of your email. Choose the sender, select or create the email template, set the subject line, and make sure the recipient is set to the appropriate lead email field. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to review and save your email notification and workflow rule. Once everything is saved and activated, your Zoho CRM will automatically send that email whenever the workflow conditions are met.